just filmed half of this video with no sound. Why do I always do this? We're just going to put everything back in the box and pretend that that did not happen. Apart from the fact that I have lost the lid for one of the products and clearly the box is open. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you just saw that lovely little blooper of an intro, you'll realise that I just filmed pretty much this whole video without sound. I actually only had like 2 products left. Great, love that for me. I've also already got the swatch on my hand. Great, so professional. Will I ever not make a mistake when filming? Probably not. But yeah, welcome to my March Glossybox unboxing. This is the worst intro ever, so please make sure you subscribe. Let's get into this. So I'm going to have to do a hell of a lot of reading again. So they actually this month have changed the cover sheet. They've given it, you know, in a little booklet form, which I think is actually really nice. It just makes it feel a lot more like luxurious and more expensive. So that's really exciting. I don't know if it would have just been for this month, but we'll obviously find out in April if they've kept it the same. So this month's box is all about empowerment. So this is the empowerment edition. Let me just read you the little insert that they've always put. They always put like a little message at the top. If you've watched my other ones, you will know this. So they've wrote, "Hey Glossies, this month we wanted to inspire you to chase your dreams with an edit of 5 fabulous makeup, skincare and hair care products created by innovative and go-getting entrepreneurs. From a makeup company that was single-handedly founded by a woman with a vision to a natural beauty label that encourages people to take control of their skincare routine, we want the stories behind these brands to empower you. Dream big, Glossies. It's time to become the best version of you." Love that. Love it. All about empowerment, all about self-love, and just, you know, give yourself the appreciation that you deserve, because why shouldn't you feel empowered by yourself and other people in this community? Okay, so the first product on here is this right here. This is the Bella Pierre Kiss Proof Lip Cream. It comes in various different shades, so obviously they sent me one of them. I think there was 4 shades that they were sending to people. It says, "Feel like a goddess with one of Bella Pierre's full coverage, high impact liquid lipsticks. Its creamy formula glides on effortlessly and dries instantly for a gorgeous matte finish. Best of all, the colour payoff lasts for hours without needing a touch up." So I can literally like do this on this now because it's been on here for a while. I'm like proper rubbing. It ain't moving. That is defo staying on your lips, which is exciting. It's not my usual type of shade, but I'm gonna create a look. I just got the Riviera palette, so I feel like I'll probably create something with that bright Bahama shade in there and this, and it will look really good. Might even use it as an eyeliner. This is what it looks like. The applicator on this is a little bit strange. It's like square almost. It's got a little bit of like an indentation there at the end. I don't know if you can see, but like the actual like, it's like really flat. Yeah. It smells really good as well. It smells like sweets. A glossy fact about this brand is, starting as a modest mineral-based company, Bella Pierre has since evolved into an on-trend brand with some of the hottest products on the market. Passion and determination really do pay off. These retail for £20. Next, this was the the sneak peek from last month. This is a lip plumping lip balm, basically, from BYBI, I don't know what the brand's called. I've probably just completely slayed that. This is a plumping lip balm. This is really hard to try and get out. Like, you have to squeeze. Like, it's so thick. Like, let's just give you a close-up on this. That is thick. It says to apply a pea-sized amount, but I don't even think you'd need that much. But yeah, it smells like herbal tablets, which are these like weird sweets that you get in the UK. They're like supposed to help your throat, but yeah, it feels hydrating though, it really does. I also tasted it earlier and it tingled my tongue, so I feel like it might plump your lips up, but I'm gonna possibly do a testing video on this. And maybe I'll do a testing video on whether this plumps up my lips and then use this with it. Maybe do like an IG testing Glossybox lip products thing. This says, boasting a thick and creamy formula, this plumping lip balm restores and protects dry lips, leaving them soft, smooth and healthy. It also contains hints of peppermint and capsicum that plump your pout and enhance its natural shape. A fact about this brand is that they are 100% natural, vegan and cruelty-free. They were founded by two determined best friends, and their iconic tubes are made from sugarcane and 100% biodegradable and recyclable. That's really cool. Nice and environmentally friendly. This is the Laritzi Cosmetics Dew Pot. This is like a liquidy cream highlighter. Cream? Highlighter? Yeah. This is really heavy. Like really heavy. And the packaging is like... This is like an all glass bottom, and then it's just got like the product just in this little top bit here. This is what it looks like inside. This is in the shade Utopia, and this is basically a creamy highlight. I have actually rubbed this all over this hand. You can kind of see it a little bit there. It is really sheer, but I think like this would look really nice like under foundation, or just on like a no makeup day, or just tap a little bit when you're wearing no makeup on your cheek, and it could look really nice. I can't actually get over how heavy it is though, which is strange. It's like a all glass component, so that's probably why. It says, this smooth and blendable highlighter provides a dewy radiance that lasts all day. It's formulated with ultra fine shimmer that accentuates your features and enhances all skin tones. Apply to your cheekbones, brow bones and cupid's bow for a rosy lit from within glow. The fact about this brand is, born out of desire for more I keep struggling to read this brand name. I don't know why. It's not even that hard. Born out of desire for a more Laritzi Cosmetics. Born out of a desire for more, Laritzi Cosmetics is a cruelty-free and vegan-friendly brand that gives you more options and more transparency and more positivity. And this retails for £15.30, and you can get it from their website, which is just laritzi.com. Next we have a product from Essence, which is a drugstore brand, really cheap. Yeah, really cheap. I'm pretty sure you can buy their products in Boots and Superdrug over here. This is their HD Hydra Primer Spray. I'm pretty sure they sent some people a matte one and then some people this one, which is obviously like for more like dry skin, and then the matte one's for obviously like oily skin. On Glossybox, when you sign up, you can like choose your like skin type, your skin tone and hair colour and all that, so they send you things that are suited to you. Basically they pick shades that are more suited for you as a person, your skin type, your skin tone and everything like that. So it says, this is their HD Hydra Primer Spray. It's infused with coconut water and pro-vitamin B5. This primer spray is the perfect base for your makeup, hydrating, energizing and refreshing. It reduces the appearance of pores and evens your skin tone. Spray it 15 centimeters away from your face for a smooth, confidence boosting finish. Fact about Essence is that it was founded by Christina, which is a fearless entrepreneurial woman who wanted to create a fun, quality and affordable beauty brand. They are definitely affordable. This literally costs £3.50, and you can shop it also on the website, which is Essence. But you can, I know 100% you can buy this in Boots. And I'm pretty sure Superdrug as well over here. The spritz on it is really nice. It's like really fine and misty, and it also smells really good. It doesn't smell like coconut though, because it's infused with coconut water, but it doesn't smell like coconut, which I thought was really strange. I'm excited to try this out because usually things that are moisturising for your face don't do anything for your pores in terms of a primer, so I'm very, very curious as to whether this will actually minimise the look of pores as well as make my skin feel really hydrating, which it does actually feel really hydrating. I sprayed it on my hand earlier. It does feel nice and creamy and hydrating. Oh, we're on to the last product. Why did it say something about hair care? That's a lie. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know why they said it's got something about hair care in the little thing there, because there's nothing to do with hair in here. Strange. This is from Neutrogena, obviously a very, very, very well-known skincare brand. This is their Ageless Boost Hydrogel Recovery Mask. I think Glossybox are trying to tell me something about my wrinkles. That's rude. Thanks. It's probably because I sit and moan about them all the time. Maybe they do watch my videos and they're just like, yeah, them forehead wrinkles need to go. This is the Ageless Boost Hydrogel Recovery Mask. It says, Neutrogena Ageless Boost Hydrogel Recovery Mask are enriched with... Oh my god, this is... I don't know how you say this. Enriched with adenosine. Enriched with adenosine, a well-known anti-aging ingredient to help smooth fine lines for a youthful-looking skin. Made with hydrogel cooling technology, it delivers the equivalent of one 30ml bottle of concentrated... What? Made with hydrogel cooling technology, it delivers the equivalent of one 30ml bottle of concentrated rejuvenating serum to your skin. I don't really know what that means, if I'm honest. Obviously it's just supposed to be really hydrating, I think. A fact about this brand is that it's continued to build strong relationships with dermatologists since 1967. This is cheap. I thought Neutrogena was expensive. This is £3.50. I love a sheet mask. But yeah. It says 1 mask, 1 month's usage of serum. Shama. Designed in Korea. Koreans know what they're talking about with skincare. They just have it down. I love how it literally says here, Glossybox subscription product not for sale. Hydrogel cooling technology, 100% made from active serum. Intense fine line soothing formula for a youthful looking skin. I'm excited to use this. Oh, I don't know whether to use this one tonight or my nice little new ones that I've got. I don't know. Yeah, that's it, we're done. That was so quick. I feel like that was really quick. They are now putting their sneak peeks on the back, which I like. I prefer it that way. I don't really like seeing the sneak peek at the front. I want them to give me that nice little treat after I've already opened everything. So, on the back is your April sneak peek. This is... I like the design of this. I mean, if this is coming on the box, I'd be very, very happy. But this is... it says, get excited glossies. We're having double fun this April with 2 special design fruity and floral glossy boxes. Oh, okay, so we're going to have a nice design, I'm guessing. Bursting with fruit-inspired formulas and blooming with flowery undertones. Both edits include a pomegranate superfood regenerating sleeping mask from Dr. Botanicals. Which edit will you receive? So there'll be 2 completely different boxes next month. That's fun. So next week we're going to be having a Dr. Botanicals sleeping mask. I really like sleeping masks because you literally wake up and you feel like a new person. Fresh baby, fresh out the womb, fresh out the vagina. And yeah, love a sleeping mask. So if you didn't know already, Glossybox costs... Wow, now you can do it 2 different ways. You can pay monthly with Glossybox. So just roll in every month and it's... I'm going to have to get this up because I'm not 100% sure because they just changed it. So, Glossybox is depending on which one you pick. So you can pay monthly and there's the original plan which is £10 a month and then it's £3.25 postage and then you can literally cancel at any month you want. So it's just like a roll-in thing. Like if you don't want it 1 month you just cancel the payment and you don't have to have that one basically. But then they also have a new one which is for 12 months. You still pay monthly, but you're in like a 12-month contract almost. So you have to get it for 12 months, but you get them for £8.50 a month and £3.25 postage instead of £10 a month, basically. So you're saving £18 if you basically decide to do it for a whole 12 months instead of just a rolling 1 month thing. So I've actually changed over to that one now, which is really good because it's literally costing me like £11 for all this stuff. And honestly, like what? So we have a £20 product in there. The lipstick itself is more expensive than the box, We've got a £9 product in there, £15 product in there, £3, £50 product, and another £3.50 product. So I mean, like, there's like £50 worth of stuff in here, and I paid £11 for it. Definitely worth it. The last 2 months I've had like Huda products and stuff like that. It's insane. Like, always in every single box I've had just one thing alone that costs more than the whole box itself, which is crazy. Like, I don't even know how they do it. Like, literally, how do they make money? I don't understand. Also, if you want to, you can use my referral link down below. Like, it's not like affiliated or anything like that. It's just anyone that has a Glossybox can use this to refer friends and family. It gets you 20% off your first box, I believe. Let me just check. Yeah, it gets you 20% off your first box subscription, and it also gives me a little bit of a reward to go towards my account. So basically, on there you can fill in, like, after every month you'll get like a little poll survey thing about each product that you get, and each survey that you fill out can earn you like 20p or something stupid. But then eventually, like, they all add up, and you can spend them points and the money that you get through that on Look Fantastic, which is really cool because they also do like their own little subscription box. Yeah, you can basically, they're called glossy credits, so you basically can earn money and buy more makeup just by doing little questionnaires. It's literally things like, do you like it? Would you recommend it? Would you buy it again? If you didn't like it, why? Like, literally, it's only usually like 4 or 5 questions per product. It literally takes you a few seconds and you get like a few p for it. But already, like, just from December, I've got £15.75 on my account just from answering questions. Obviously, when they did the advent calendar, I had that. There was so many ones, so you literally had to review every product. That's where a lot of mine come from. But yeah, I mean, it's definitely worth the money. Like, it's insane. So even this, like, alone, like, it's probably like, I probably could make like £1 just by feeding back on what I have in today's box. So it's basically like everything's cost me a tenner. Yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy. If you made it this far, then thanks for watching another Glossybox unboxing. I hope you enjoyed March's box. Let me know if you are thinking about subscribing to Glossybox, or if you already do. What did you like from this month? What don't you like? What would you like to use, or what wouldn't you use? I'm still a bit curious about this colour right here. It's not my usual thing. I can't even get over how full coverage and how this is not coming off. Like, that is on there. How have I never heard about these formulas before? Because if I'm hoping it's not drying on my lips, because if it is, then that'd be really disappointing, because that is like insane pigment, and I feel like I'm going to be able to eat like a big old veggie burger and that'll stay there. Yeah. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe before you go, and also give it a big old thumbs up. It really will help me out, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.